Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can install Namecheap SSL certificates in your cPanel. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, log into your Namecheap account. And once you're here, you will go to your hosting list, which is under the account. So just go ahead and click hosting list. And then once you're here, you should see something like manage your hosting here if you already have your hosting service. So make sure that you have one. And then under the cPanel or hosting dashboard, you will click cPanel and then you will see something like this. So you will go ahead and click the security section, which is SSL or TLS under the security. And then after that, what you will have to do is basically just select manage SSL sites under the install and you will manage SSL for your website. And then after that, what you will have to do is copy your certificate CRT and the uh, pri- private key from your Namecheap, and then you will paste them into the corresponding fields, and then you will click install an SSL website. So it should look something like this. And yeah, you will just have to verify the installation by visiting your website. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.